I hope everybody is doing well on this fine Thursday evening or day, wherever you are in the world. We're back for part 2 of the Disney Primark haul. There are a few non-Disney stuff which I'll kind of include in as well because they are bargains and I love them. If you didn't see yesterday's video was part 1 of the Primark hauls, and it was all to do with the Lion King home range, which I was very, very happy about. I'm very excited about, and I'm still very, very satisfied. So that was that obsession. So if you have not seen that, I will leave a link right at the end of this video for you to click back and for you to enjoy. So recently we just come back from Blackpool and we went to go and venture into Blackpool's Primark, and even though it is quite small, I mean it's very tall, it's got a good few floors and it is quite small, it has a lot of stuff in it, and it had a lot of Disney stuff and it had a lot of Harry Potter stuff, but I'm trying to resist not buying all the Harry Potter stuff because I just haven't got the money. If you would like to see the video when we walked around Blackpool's Primark, I will leave it in the eye. Is it up here? Or I think it's up here. Yeah, I think it is up there. And yeah, it will take you all back to when we went shopping there. So, shall we get on with it? Alright. Okay, these two items weren't from the Blackpool Primark, but they're actually from Eastbourne's one. They are definitely reduced everywhere right now. And it's these cushions that say "Yeehaw, yeehaw," and it kind of gave it like a sort of like a Toy Story vibe. We actually bought these a few weeks ago and they were in one of our vlogs, but I decided to incorporate it in this because, yeah, I think they are worthy. They were reduced to £2. Can you believe it? Like £2 each. Like, love these. So all of this stuff now has been bought from Blackpool. This thing that I found in the sale, and it's this little soap dish holder, this little soap dish, and it was 50p, and I've been after a soap dish for ages, and if you've been following me for quite some time you'll know that I'm a very simple person and I'm easily entertained over things. I'm easily entertained over a soap dish that costs 50p. I've been after a soap dish for the autumn and winter time because I love using hand soaps and buying hand soaps, and I actually got quite a few hand soaps from Basin. One's a gingerbread one and the other one is like I think it's like a peppermint sort of like bar of soap, and I always have nowhere to put it, and I'm like, I'm after a soap dish, and finding this for 50p, sorted. Okay, my next one is Lion King related, and they are pyjama related, and it's this top that says Wild Child, and it's got Rafiki, Scar, Timon, Pumbaa and Simba on it, and the Wild Child font is glittery as well. This was £6, and yeah, it's a really nice t-shirt for the night time. And of course you can't buy pyjama tops without buying the bottoms. So here we go, here are the Lion King shorts, pyjama shorts, and they were £5. The next item that I bought is this stitch jumper. It's really long in the body. I love jumpers that are long in the body and super baggy because they're super, super comfy. It has his name all jumbled up like this, and the fabric is kind of like a jersey material, like the inside of a sweater, inside of a jersey material. I don't know what you call it, but it's very furry and very soft. And then you have a little embroidered stitch on it, and he's really cute. It also has like a little tag at the bottom that says Stitch on it as well. That's kind of a nice little detailing on that. And that was £12. Okay, my next one is another jumper that I actually wore for the Blackpool meetup when it got a little bit chilly. And it's this jumper here. The colour of it is amazing. Like, it's this lovely vibrant mustard colour. It's got the words Mickey Mouse on it, and it has a lovely Mickey Mouse face in the middle of it. Now I'm really surprised about these jumpers because these jumpers are actually £8, and the fit of them are really kind of like boxy and baggy, so they're really good if you're looking for an oversized jumper, and for £8 you can't go wrong. My next 3 items I am so surprised about. I am in shock and I am in awe. I know Primark have delved into the Minnie ears sort of fashion before, and I've never been able to get hold of any. I've never been able to pick them up because my store never has any. But when I went to Blackpool, oh my life, there was lots and I was very, very happy. I want to say the quality of them are actually not too bad. So like for the first one, I've got a set of Minnie ears here that have a lovely glittery pink bow, and they've got really furry ears, and that was £2, which if they sit on my head. These were all in the children's sections, but they can easily fit an adult's head. I've got the next one, which was a little bit more pricier. It was £2.50, and there were these Minnie ears with some flower detailing on the ears, and it has this gorgeous pink ribbon bow as well on that. So that was £2.50. And the next one was a bit of a bargain for £1 in the reduced bit, and they are watermelon bow ears. How amazing are they? I know the tag's in. Anyway, so yeah, all of these were in the children's section, and they can easily fit adults. So if there is a large group of you that are going to Disney soon and you don't want to really fork out on expensive like ears, because we all know ears are really, really expensive. So if you've got like a big group of you and you all want to have like matching ears that are affordable, or if you've got any children that we all know that, you know, things could get lost or things can get misplaced very easily, these ears, like, they only cost a few quid or £1 for these ones here. If you lose them, you lose them. If they get damaged, they get damaged. I think the quality of them are really, really good. I think that the proportion sizes as well for the ears, you know, are really good to the head. Yeah, I've got no problems with them whatsoever. So if you are about to venture off to Disney, head over to Primark, see what they've got in ears, and you'll actually pleasantly be surprised. So yeah, you can pick some up, and then yeah, you're all Disney-fied and ready to go. So my last item I love. In fact, Dave and I absolutely love it. It's probably the best purchase that we made while in Primark, and we just love it to bits. And it's this alien, and he's a water bottle, and how adorably cute is he? He's the best water bottle I have ever seen. He is so, so cute. The detailing is fabulous. Down to the little planet emblem, the pizza planet emblem. It's just so adorable. And yeah, I'm totally made up for this. And the best thing about it, he was £8. It is money well spent. He's going to be fantastic for the winter time when it gets very, very chilly. And when Dave and I actually saw it in Primark, we literally just looked at each other and went, this is like the best thing ever. Why did they not have this when we were kids? Look how cute he is. Yes, he's like the best thing ever. And for £8, like, you just can't go wrong with it at all. So there you have it. If you are a huge Toy Story fan, get over to Primark. They've got these little beautiful little aliens on sale. And he is so adorable. Ooh. So there you have it, guys. That was my part 2 of my Disney Primark haul. If you did enjoy this video, give it a massive thumbs up. I really, really appreciate it. And if you have not already, we would love you guys to join our community. So all you have to do is just click that red button down below and subscribe. It is free. And if you click that bell button right at the side of it, it will notify you when we actually bring out another video, like tomorrow for a daily vlog, because we are doing Vlogust at the moment, which is we are uploading a video every single day of August, which is quite insane really, but we're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good, and you guys seem to be loving it too. So in the meantime, guys, I hope you have a lovely night, whatever you are doing, and I will see you all tomorrow. See you later, guys. Bye.